Welcome guys, welcome to my new video. The topic of this video is the level of organization. Fifth one is organ and organ system level. More than one type of tissues have a related function organized together to make a unit called organ. Different tissues perform their specific function and their collective function becomes the function of organ. For example, stomach is an organ specialized for the digestion of protein and for storing food. Two types of tissues are present in its structure: epithelial tissue and muscular tissue. Epithelial tissue is also called glandular tissue because it secretes gastric juice for the digestion of protein. And muscular tissue perform contraction of stomach wall for grinding of food and moving food to posterior end. In this way, two tissue perform their function and their collective function become the function of stomach. You can see different types of organ in this picture like heart, lungs, intestine, stomach, spine, muscles, etc. The next one is organ system level. Different organ performing related function organized to form organ system. In organ system, each organ carries its own function and their collective function become the function of organ system. You can see different type of organ system in this picture. For example, digestive process is carried out by digestive system. Major organs in its framework are oral cavity, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, etc. Different organ systems are also here like skeletal system, muscular system, respiratory system, nervous system and circulatory system. They contain a lot of organs which carries out their function. Organ system level in plants are less complex as compared to animals because they have to carry out very less amount of activities as compared to animal. For example, root system, you can see the root system here. The sixth one is individual level. Different organ and organ system organized to form individual level. Various organ and organ system carries out their function and their function collectively become the function of individual. For example, when a man is engaged in exercise, not only his muscles are working, but also there is an increase in its respiration and heartbeat. The increase in respiration is also helpful as it provides a lot of oxygen to muscles. You can see an individual in this picture like human and an individual like plant in this picture. Number 7th is population level. A group of organisms of the same species located at same time at same place. This is the definition of population level. For example, human population in Pakistan in 2010 comprises 173.5 million. Human population means same species, 2010 means same time, and in Pakistan means same place. You can see in this graph different population levels at different eras. Thank you guys. If you have any query, do let me know in the comment section and don't forget to like my video.